top 6 Stoic lessons. 1. Living in accordance with nature. This involves understanding the rational order of the universe and our place within it. It means accepting our roles and responsibilities, living with purpose, and striving for self-improvement. We should act in ways that benefit the greater good, recognizing our interconnectedness with all things. 2. Accepting what is beyond control. This principle, often referred to as the dichotomy of control, emphasizes focusing our energy on what we can influence, our thoughts, actions, and judgments, and accepting with tranquility what we cannot, external events, the actions of others, etc. Worrying about things outside our control leads to unnecessary anxiety and suffering. 3. Developing inner virtues. Stoics believe that virtue is the sole good and the key to a flourishing life. Wisdom guides our choices, courage allows us to face challenges, justice ensures fairness in our dealings with others, and temperance helps us maintain balance and moderation in all things. 4. Practicing mindfulness. This involves being fully present in the current moment, without judgment. By cultivating awareness of our thoughts and emotions, we can avoid being swept away by them and respond to situations with greater clarity and reason. 5. Detaching from excessive desires. Stoics recognize that attachment to external things, outcomes, or the opinions of others can lead to unhappiness and a sense of inner turmoil. By practicing detachment, we cultivate inner peace and freedom from these external influences. 6. Accepting the inevitability of change. Life is a constant flux, and change is unavoidable. Stoics believe in accepting the natural cycle of life and death, embracing impermanence, and facing adversity with resilience. This acceptance allows us to navigate life's challenges with greater equanimity. Beyond the basics. Focusing on reason. Stoicism places great emphasis on using reason and logic to guide our thoughts and actions. By cultivating a rational mind, we can make sound judgments, overcome negative emotions, and live in accordance with nature. Finding meaning in adversity. Stoics believe that challenges and setbacks are opportunities for growth and learning. By facing adversity with courage and wisdom, we can develop strength of character and find meaning even in difficult times. Living a virtuous life. The ultimate goal of Stoicism is to live a virtuous life, characterized by wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance. This involves striving for excellence in all areas of life and contributing to the well-being of others. Stoicism offers a practical philosophy for navigating the challenges of life with resilience, wisdom, and inner peace. Its enduring principles continue to resonate with people seeking a meaningful and fulfilling existence. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.